Hi, my name is Brad, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Quietum Plus before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Quietum Plus is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Quietum Plus from, because Quietum Plus is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Quietum Plus? And does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Quietum Plus works. Quietum Plus is an all-natural dietary supplement in capsule form, created using unique formula and consisting of some common and some rare ingredients. The supplement contains a mix of vitamins, plants, and herbs, which can help anyone support their hearing health, and all the ingredients used in Quietum Plus capsules are 100% natural. The Quietum Plus formula is the result of a vision of a world where everybody can easily and naturally support the natural health of their hearing. It is the product of years of research and testing. Quietum Plus may enhance hearing naturally by employing plant-derived nutrients to address the function of the ears. According to the producers, this dietary supplement is for individuals who recognize they are at risk for hearing loss as they age, since they are already experiencing its symptoms. Quietum Plus is distinguished from other products on the market by its use of the most effective natural substances for resolving hearing issues. According to the producers, each ingredient's quantities have been thoroughly investigated to ensure that no extraneous ingredients are included. For these reasons, this solution stands out from the competition and delivers results successfully. The composition consists mostly of herbs, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. All of these are naturally occurring and operate with the body's natural functions. The components in Quietum Plus have been put in the precise proportions to guarantee that there is no overdosing or that they are not insufficient to be effective. Quietum Plus is manufactured in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Quietum Plus, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Quietum Plus for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Quietum Plus to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Quietum Plus has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Quietum Plus from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Quietum Plus actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.